In this video, I will show you step by step how you make $6,521 in commission every single month with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic. I will share with you guys which services I'm promoting on Pinterest, how do I find trending services that people will be interested to buy from my affiliate links on Pinterest, how you can use free traffic to promote your affiliate links for free without investing any money in paid ads, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss these new methods that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So I made this commission in the month of June. Okay, from the first day of June until the day 30th of June, I made $6,521. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots. I can click over here. This is my dashboard, my marketing tools, reports. I have payments, postback, sub affiliates, my ID, and so much more. Okay, it's not screenshot like other people are sharing with you on YouTube. This is my affiliate account dashboard. Anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So anyway, just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. You need to choose your country, okay, and choose your language, and put your, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard account. Okay, so to start promoting those services using free traffic, we will use Pinterest. So we need to create Pinterest business account. So go to Google, search for Pinterest. Okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. Make sure to open business account, Pinterest business account, not personal account, business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. So why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Do you see this number? It's a really big number. People, millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific products using Pinterest. Okay, and that's why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest, because I will get so much traffic for free. And if you follow those methods and if you do it correctly, you will earn commission. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. Anyway, so now I want you to pay attention, because I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest. So all you have to do is you need to go back to your Fiverr homepage and click on the search, okay, and search for Pinterest blog. Okay, search for this service, Pinterest blog, like this. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So that's how it's supposed to be. Those sellers that you will choose should have good reviews, okay, and a lot of reviews. So So what I will do, I will just choose one of those sellers. So for example, I think this one is good. This one is top rated seller. Okay, you see this top rated seller. He is good seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 100 reviews. That's really good. I will just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see guys, this seller has 15 orders in queue. So a lot of people are paying for this service and it's working and people are buying this service. This is the proof. Okay, look at this. 15 orders in queue. People keep coming back. People keep coming and buy more services from this seller. Okay, so those people who seeing some comment like this, it's not working, people will not buy those services. If not, people will buy those services. Which people are buying this one? Why this seller has 15 orders in queue and almost 100 reviews? Okay, almost 100 people paid for this service and they are still keep coming back. They are still paying, buying this service. Okay, so it's working. You just need to do it correctly. So what you will do next, just copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, click on his picture, double click and click on save image. Save this picture to your laptop. I will click on save, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Super easy. Like this, and here you go. You need title and you need description and you need your affiliate link here. So let's start with the title. Go back to the seller profile page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, so you can use his information. That's all fine. So no worries about that. Go description, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this one about this gig. This is his description. Copy this. I will copy this description and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, okay? Because for me, I have all the Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, okay? So I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. So if you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. It's super easy. I'm gonna choose, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. You need to put here keywords, okay? Keywords about Pinterest, about this service, Pinterest blog, okay? So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see those related tags, okay? Copy those keywords. Okay, copy all those keywords and put those keywords here. Make sure to use all those keywords. They are very important for you as a beginner and if you have a new Pinterest account. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, okay? And those people, why we choose this service related to Pinterest? because those people who are using Pinterest, they want to grow their Pinterest accounts. Those people will be interested to buy this service, and it's already working. People already buying, they are already paying for this service. You can see how many orders in queue. So people already, which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who has Pinterest accounts, people who are using Pinterest, who want to grow their Pinterest account. They paid for this service, as you can see, okay? So that's why I choose this one. It's related to Pinterest, will help those people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest accounts, maybe for their businesses or any, I don't know, maybe anyway, they will be interested to buy this service to grow their Pinterest account. People who are using Pinterest to promote their businesses, okay? And that's it. The business model is clear, but it's not easy. You need to stay consistent, you need to work hard, you need to do more research to see what's trending, what's not trending, avoid what's not trending, keep promoting what's trending, services that are trending, and you can earn commission. Also, guys, if you don't want to use picture, so for me, I prefer to use video, because video is always better than pictures. The videos are really good. They convert better, not like pictures. So here is what you can do if you want to use videos for your Pinterest pins. Click on, go back to the seller profile page, click on his service, and you will turn your screen recording on, okay? You will screen record, you will create screen recording videos showing his customers' feedback. So here is what you will do. So like this, for example, like this. Turn your screen recording on and keep clicking here. Okay, like this. It will be a slideshow video showing the customer reviews. Okay, you see this? Seller has defined deep understanding to personas. People they are posting good reviews. Okay, you can see. You will create slideshow video showing the feedback of this seller of his customers. Okay, like this. After you finish, you can go and publish this video in Pinterest, okay? And people who will check your video, who are interested, they will see this video, they will see the feedback of those customers. Of course, they will go and try this service, okay? They will buy this service from you. Then they will, if they click on your affiliate link, for example, here, they will be directly in this seller profile page. They will click on continue, buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. So this is the method that I would suggest if you want to use it. Use videos. Videos are really good, okay? Because videos are better. They are not like pictures. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see more new methods like this, comment in this video affiliate marketing, like this video. If this video got a lot of likes, if this video got like 200 likes, I can, guys, share with you new methods how you can promote your affiliate links on Google for free, and how you can promote your affiliate links on TikTok for free, how you can promote your affiliate links on Instagram Reels for free, and so much more. Of course, so just comment in this video affiliate marketing, like this video, and I will share with you all new methods. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.